In this video, we are going to understand how the sprites are going to interact with each other. It is basically one sprite will speak the messages when the other sprite has finished speaking. And during this entire activity, we need to take care of the time duration consumed by each of the sprites. In order to begin this activity, we need two sprites. One will be the cat, one will be this gobo, and that you can take from the sprites library. Let's start giving instruction to the cat first. So the first instruction will be that when we click on the green flag, so the activity should begin and the cat should speak out a message to the gobo. So we will go to the looks category and take this instruction here, say hello for 2 seconds. We will change the message up here like this, and once the cat is finished speaking this message, so the gobo should speak. That means the same set of instructions for the gobo also. When green flag is clicked, it should speak a message, say denying to the cat that no, you are not the cute one. So we will give a short message here, and because this is a short message, so we will reduce the time also, say for 1 second. Now, if we click on the green flag, both of them are speaking the message together. So what is required? That once the cat is finished, so the gobo should speak. That means the cat is speaking for 2 seconds. So for this much time, the gobo should wait. So we will come here and go to the control category and take the instruction from there, wait for 2 seconds. And by that time, the cat will finish speaking the message. So once you click on the green flag, cat is speaking for 2 seconds and gobo is waiting. Once the cat has finished, so the gobo is replying. And let's add a few more instructions to the gobo as wait for 1 second. Instead of 1 second, we can make it 0.5 seconds. And after that, it should say another message to the cat that will be into the looks category, say hello for 2 seconds. We can change the message here like this, I am the cute one. And let's click on the green flag and see how this is working. So when you click, the cat is speaking, then gobo is replying. And now the cat should reply back to this particular message. And for that, we will go to the looks category, say hello for 2 seconds, and say that the cat is denying to the gobo like this. But the question is, after how much time the cat should speak this message. So we need to look at the instructions given to the gobo here. And what you can see is gobo is speaking a message for 1 second, then waiting for 0.5 second, and then speaking another message for 2 seconds. So you need to add them together. So that will give you around 3.5 seconds. And so the cat should speak after 3.5 seconds. So we can give a time for wait instruction like 4 seconds. So if we come to the instructions given to the cat is supposed to deny to the gobo, and that should be done after, for example, 4 seconds. And join it, click on the green flag and see how this is working for us. First message, reply by the gobo, second message by the gobo, and once it is finished, so the cat is replying. Great. And we want the cat to reply with one more message, so we will give another wait instruction with, for example, 0.5 seconds, and say a message one more time. So say hello for 2 seconds. We will change the message here like this, and we can now maximize the game stage and see how this is working for us.